You ever sit back and you start to overthink things and you just want to be successful as a business owner and an entrepreneur or solopreneur? And you have, for example, a small business. It's a small local business and you're wondering, how do I get my business off the ground? How do I get more leads? How do I market myself? Which strategies should I be implementing on a daily basis? And so I understand the frustration that you are going through because, well, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is David Rodriguez. I've uploaded over 500 videos on YouTube, and here's what I learned. It takes several tools to get to a successful point in your life. Okay, so one of the tools that I used to use was Local Falcon, but that's an old school tool and it works all right comparing to this brand new tool that I've been using lately. And this tool is called Local Dominator. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Now here's the way Local Dominator works and why I am using it way more now. It's because I can actually put in my Google profile name, then type in the keyword that I want to see how I am ranking for in comparison to my competitors. Once I've input that information, I can either select 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 miles, how much of a proximity I want to see, how I'm ranking for that specific keyword. I'm going to go ahead and select the 1 mile. And as you guys can see, all the greenery right here is a positive indicator that I am doing a great job and that my Google business profile is ranking #1 for the keyword 360 photo booth. Now let's say, for example, I want to move this proximity into a different area that's a lot more competitive to get an idea of how much work it would require for me to become #1 in this certain area. All I have to do is run the tool again, check out my competitor's Google profile, and there I can see how many reviews they're getting, how often they are posting, and now I have insightful, accurate information, real data to help me determine what I need to do next and what things I need to make a priority. All right, so I hope this video helps. Remember guys, this is the kind of tools that are gonna help you guys be better business owners, especially if you own a very small business locally. I hope this video helps. Use the description to your advantage. That's where I have the Patreon page, my website, a bunch of links that are gonna help you guys out with your business. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.